Hello and welcome to Akkadian University. In this video we're going to briefly go over the sounds in the Akkadian language. So first off we're going to go over the 4 vowel qualities. There are 3 vowel lengths. So there's A, E, and U, represented by A, E, I, and U. This can be short or can be long. So A versus A. And it can be extra long, as in A. This really results from the smushing together, you could say, of vowels. So we could say that these two are maybe more primary. In terms of consonants, we have quite a few consonants whose transliteration is, the pronunciation of their transliteration is pretty obvious from the way they're written. We have ba, ga, da, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ra. This is usually going to be an alveolar tap. Notice that these sounds will keep their these letters will keep their one sound. So ga, for example, will always be ga. We'll never have a ja. We also have sa. It's pretty obvious from how it's written as an S. This here is pronounced as a sh sound, so like an sh. You could right here sh. And this would be ta, wa, ya, za. Also notice all these will maintain this one sound. Over here you have emphatic consonants. So there's some debate as to how these were historically pronounced. Some people would make them, I would say they're pronounced as ejectives. So this T with a dot on the bottom would be t. Some people might think they were pronounced as pharyngeals or velarized consonants, so ta instead of t. You can pronounce them however you'd like. Very often you'll see people pronounce this as T, this is Q, this Q as a G or K, and then this S as a TS. I'm going to pronounce them as ejectives, except for this Q I'll do as an Arabic qaf. So ka sound, and this will do as a t, and this will do as a s sound. And then this H will be like the common example as the CH in the Scottish pronunciation of lach. So there are also some German words with a very similar CH sound. So the idea is it's an H, but a little bit closer to the front. Some people describe that as further back. Actually, technically the point of articulation is closer than the average H, but it's a much heavier sound.